Hello all, I'm Dr. Devanshu Kalra from Kalra's Clinic Karnal. I am a cosmetic surgeon and ये मेरा पहला vlog है for you people. Today I'm pretty excited about to discuss the journey of hair transplant. But the interesting part is कि hair transplant का subject आज मैं खुद हूँ. Today is my hair transplant. So really excited about the journey now. We'll see how things proceed and we'll show you how things proceed here. So आज के ब्लॉग में हम लोग हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट के सब स्टेप्स के बारे में बात करेंगे. एवरी टिन बिट ऑफ डिटेल्स विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट एंड यू विल बी एक्साइटेड एंड हैप्पी टू नो कि किस तरीके से चीज़ें आगे प्रोसीड करती हैं एक हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट के बारे में, जिससे कि आपके काफ़ी सारे डाउट्स क्लियर होने चाहिए. पहले तो बात करते हैं हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट की नीड के बारे में. डू आई एक्चुअली नीड हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट? Many of the people would say no, you look perfectly fine, your hair density looks perfectly fine, you have long hair as well. But let me show you where we are lacking at. मुझे क्यों hair transplant की ज़रूरत है? First of all, I do have a bald patch over here, if you can see now. Here is my bald patch. The other thing is that the hair which I'm camouflaging actually is from the sides. Both of the sides do have good hair density, but I'm lacking the hair density in the middle, right? So most of the people would say कि इतने अच्छे तो लग रहे हैं, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? Believe me, I'm right now, this is the condition at which I am. It is the perfect stage at which you can get your hair transplant done, because many people come to us for hair transplant when they are actually very bald, when actually they don't have any hair over this area. Okay, it becomes very difficult for us to cover the area. Of course we do that as well, but to cover this area जहाँ पे density अभी कम है and it is lacking right now, and which I will get bald for sure after like 3 or 4 years. So it is better to get hair transplant at this stage very now. So as you can see, the cannula has been put, the test doses have been given here, and dose of antibiotic after a while of test dose giving has been given to me. Now we'll be proceeding with the actual events, the shaving, the marking, etc, etc. Yeah, so I guess we are ready for the hair transplant now. My head has been shaved now, as you can see, and the marking has been done. As you can see, the proper marking has been done, and now I guess we are ready. So I am going to get injected now. All the best to me. So this is what we call as a graft extraction process. इसमें हम आपके donor area से safe grafts निकाल रहे हैं. As you can see, I'm talking normally. पीछे background में music चल रहा है and I'm very comfortable. कोई problem जैसा situation नहीं है. No pain, nothing, no discomfort. So in nutshell, what I'm trying to tell you is कि जो painful process है वो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है hair transplant. It is a very smooth process. Yeah, hi again. So as you can see, my graft harvest is almost over now. Almost they have taken around 4,500 graft near about up till now, and mostly they'll take around 1,000 more. And yes, it has been very pain-free procedure. I don't know whether people say it is a painful, or they do have some sort of apprehensions about that. Yes, it was a bit discomfort at once when during my first needle prick, but then even the needle prick pain was not there. It was completely smooth. After the infiltration, I was actually fast asleep. I didn't know what they were doing. Yes, there is a bit problem in lying down in prone position for a while, but then it has been completely hassle-free procedure up till now. Let's see how things go in after positions. Yes. So now the punching has started. Basically these punches have been made because we want the graft to put in these punches. इन punches के अंदर जो हमने grafts निकाले हैं donor area से वो डाले जाएंगे. पीछे अराउंड 4500 टू 5000 ग्राफ्ट्स डाले जाने हैं, तो उसके हिसाब से जो है पंचेस किए जाएंगे। जैसे आप देख रहे हैं, फ्रंट में भी मैंने लोकल एनेस्थीसिया लगवाया है, तो अभी मुझे कोई पेन नहीं है। आई एम वेरी कंफर्टेबल एंड गोइंग ऑन थ्रू स्मूथली। As you can see, we are through with the procedure. I'm okay, I'm fine. Pain is limited, a bit discomfort, a limited pain, but not very much excruciating pain as people expect it to be. And as you can see, my grafts are from approximately 2 centimeter behind the hairline, because I didn't want to touch my hairline. It is quite normal. And the main area was the vertex, as we discussed before. So my grafts have been positioned from here to till covering the vertex, as you can see, right? Almost around 4700 grafts were put, and the hair transplant started at around 10 o'clock in the morning, and right now it is around 8 o'clock. So yes, it takes 10 hours, including the breaks, food and drinks breaks and everything. So it has been a wonderful experience as of now.
कंपैरेटिव हेल्थ केयर की मदद से आप अपने शहर के अच्छे डॉक्टर और अच्छे हॉस्पिटल एवं हॉस्पिटल में क्या क्या सुविधाएं उपलब्ध है देख सकते हैं और कंपेयर करके बुक कर सकते हैं। अगर कोई पेशेंट लंबे समय से किसी बीमारी से ग्रसित है तो यहाँ अपनी रिपोर्ट्स शेयर कीजिए और डॉक्टर्स द्वारा सही राय जानिए। गूगल प्ले स्टोर से आप एप्लीकेशन इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं और वहाँ से सारी सुविधाएं देख सकते हैं। हमारे चैनल को शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलिए।